Children, those who have joined late, please pay attention once again. Percentage labeling of oleum. Today's heading is percentage labeling of oleum. What is oleum? Oleum, from today onwards, anybody asks you what is oleum, you must say oleum is a mixture of sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide gas. When the ratio is 1:1, the formula of oleum becomes H2H2O7. H2H2O7. You can see here. H2SO4 and SO3. Add it. What you will get? H2, S2 and O7. This is not the correct formula of oleum. It is one of the case. When the ratio is 1:1, then only this formula becomes H2H2O7. Why? Because oleum is not a compound. Oleum is not a compound. Oleum is not a compound, children. It is a solution. It is a solution. Oleum is not a compound. It is a solution. Okay? And if it is a solution, it may have various composition. It may have various composition. It may have various composition. 1:1, 1:2, 2:1, and then this formula is not valid. Right, children? So please make a note that oleum is not a compound. It is a solution. Oleum is also known as fuming sulfuric acid. Why fuming? Because you know it is a solution and sulfur trioxide gas is inside. And the nature of gas is to escape out. So whenever oleum is there, you will find some sulfur trioxide will be coming out. And that phenomena, that nature, that situation, that condition is mentioned in chemistry as fuming. Fuming of sulfuric acid. So now we are interested in composition of oleum. How can we write the composition of oleum? Okay, children. So that composition, okay, it is used in commercial way. So we will come directly to that method only. So see the labeling of oleum, how we prepared oleum and how we label it. Okay, how we label it. Just we can understand in a better way with an example. So we have taken one example, that is 109% oleum. Let me see one chat box. Sir, what is labeling? Labeling means you have to label. In previous, in 6, 7, didn't you understand when you prepare? This is the chart and parts of body, and you used to label it. This is eyes, this is mouth, level. Did you understand, children? Did you got my point? We have to label. Okay? Harsh saying you are not paying attention. What is oleum? What is oleum? See, it is mentioned here. Oleum, it is a mixture of H2SO4 and sulfur trioxide. Okay? Got my point? Oleum is a mixture of H2SO4 and SO3. This is the definition. Mixture of H2SO4 and SO3. You got the point? Right. Pay attention. When you have prepared a solution, you have to mention its concentration or not. Now, concentration can be expressed in percentage, by mass by volume, volume by volume, molarity, molality, mole fraction, isn't it? Normality. So this is also one of the method to express the concentration. Shall I move forward? Yes, sir. Okay. See, what do you mean by 109% oleum? Children, very interesting part. Those who can understand, it will be very, very interesting point. 109% oleum. When it is written like this, 109% oleum, 101%, 102%, 103%, 109, 1010, 1018, like this. What you have to do? Okay, what you have to do? Oh my God, so much disturbance. It is some basic concept of chemistry. We are learning about concentration of solution. Concentration. Okay, children. So what you have to do, when it is written about oleum, 109% oleum, this is only for oleum, children, not for any another solution. Children, mind it, it is only for oleum. Don't use this method for any another thing. It is specifically only for oleum. Right? Okay. So when 109 is given, children, your first work is divide into two parts. Divide into two parts. Bring 100 here. Bring 100 here and 9 here, children. Right? What is this 9? This is 9 gram of water. 9 gram of water. And what is this? This is 100 gram of oleum. Right? You have to do like this only. This is the simple task. Okay, children? 109% is there. It means 9 gram water and 100 gram is oleum. Am I clear? Is it clear to you? Please respond. Yes, sir. Now what is our duty? Now what is our duty, children? Children, what is our duty? Now you got the weight of nitrogen. Now you got the weight of nitrogen. Now you have to do a simple calculation, children. Sulfur trioxide and water. Why sulfur trioxide? Because here in oleum is a mixture of sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide. Okay. So you know the reaction between, if you don't know, please know it now. SO3 plus H2O gives you H2SO4. This reaction is very, very important. You should know the reaction. Sulfur trioxide reacts with water to give you H2SO4. And now from this reaction, okay, tell me the information collected from this reaction. What information you will collect? Nothing is written, one is written, nothing is written, one is written, nothing is written, one is written. Just say it is balanced. Yes, it is balanced. Now we can say that 1 mole of SO3 reacts with 1 mole of H2O will give you 1 mole of 1 mole of what? H2SO4. Okay, this is according to mole. According to mole, right? Can you give information on the basis of mass? Yes, we can give. So tell me the weight of 1 mole of SO3. Calculate over here. S and 3 oxygen. 1 sulfur is 32. 1 oxygen is 16. 16 3 ja 48. How much it is? 80. So the molar weight of sulfur trioxide is 80 gram. So 80 gram of SO3 will react with how much? What is the 1 mole of water? 18 gram. Right? Did you understand, children? And how much this one? This will be 98 gram. Calculate it. Calculate it. 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. 2, 32, then 64. It is 98, children. Right? But condition is not like this. Condition is how much gram of water is in the sample? 9 gram. So 9 gram means, okay, if it is 9 gram, so what will be the weight of sulfur trioxide? It will be only of 40 gram. Did you understand, children? Right? So when you have added 9 gram of water in this sample, that 9 gram has reacted with 40 gram of SO3. 40 gram of SO3. Okay? And this 9 gram of water is completely using SO3. Completely using SO3. So it means this 9 gram of water is using 40 gram of SO3. It means in this sample, children, in this sample, 9, okay, we use 9 gram of water, and from that we got idea that 40 gram of SO3 is present and 60 gram of H2SO4 is present initially. Okay, children? Right? So this was the composition of the sample earlier, before adding water. This was the composition of the sample. And when you have added water, okay, so this has reacted. So it became 40 plus 9. Okay, 49. And you again 49 gram of sulfuric acid is prepared. 49 gram of sulfuric acid is prepared. So now after adding 9 gram of water, total sulfuric acid is 109 gram. So now after adding water, completely change into sulfuric acid. Right, children? So in this way you have to give the composition by calculating like this. Whatever the amount of water, accordingly you have to see the SO3 amount, and you have to write the composition and total weight of sulfuric acid. The total weight of sulfuric acid is 109 gram. Right, children? Okay, I will give you one more example. How I got 60 means, earlier I told you are just missing this one, 100 gram of the sample. In 100 gram of oleum sample, and what is oleum? Oleum is two part, H2, SO4 and SO3. When I found that SO3 is 40 gram, so and this is 100 gram, means remaining is 60 gram. Remaining is 60 gram sulfuric acid. Did you understand? Did you understand, children? Yes, sir. So now I will mute one or two students so that you can understand this concept very well. Okay? Not mute, unmute. But you have to maintain silence. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, sir.
Maintain silence.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
सर म्यूट कीजिए, अपने आप को अनम्यूट करिए सर. सर, our principal sir is there. Please listen carefully.
को कॉल कर रही है वह उत्तर नहीं दे रही है.
Sir.
कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें. A person you're calling is not answering. Please try later.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
To all, congratulations to all. As sir was telling about 1 mark, all those students who secured 4 marks in chemistry, you are going to get 5 marks. Today, in the conference, our state coordinator, Jayasima Reddy sir, told about good hard work from your side. Give it up. But, my dear students, in comparison, we are not leading. When we compare ourselves with other states, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, we are not on par. Regarding attendance, as well as securing 20 on 20, our attendance is too poor. Please listen, all the students. Sir, Subhash sir.
Yes,
please
sir.
inject in the students the discipline of attending the exams. Dear students, in attendance, we are trailing. In securing 20 on 20, we are trailing. When we compare with Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. As far as West Bengal is concerned, there is lot of development if you compare with respect to last week. Last week results and this week results are comparatively far better. This week results are enormously improved. For that, my heartful of congratulations to all. But this week, we have to focus on attendance as well as securing more number of 10%. Can you promise me that this time it will be 100% attendance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Really, I'm happy. There are only 4 voices. I'll take it as 130 voices. Really, I'm happy. Subhash sir,
Yes, sir.
we are better when we compare with last week. But
Yes, sir.
when we compare with states, we have to improve a lot.
And in the coming, I am promising, sir, in the coming week, our performance will be just, you cannot
The best.
imagine that performance will be ours.
Right. Now,
So-
Bhutvo na Bhavish.
Your team is working like anything, sir. And
Right.
definitely if we work out, the result will speak. Result will speak, sir.
Exactly. 100%. Okay, sir. Go ahead. All the best, my dear students. I hope the best result from you for this coming weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Okay, boys and girls.
Okay, children. आवाज आ रहा मेरा?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, see, again, I am giving you one sample. So, Sara problem will be solved. See, example 2. Okay. Please maintain silence. Don't ask me to repeat again and again. See, this is the sample, children. 118 gram, children. 118% of what? Oleum. Yeah, what is our duty first? Our
100
duty is,
gram of
yeah,
oleum.
from 118 divide into 2 parts.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much sample is? Original sample 100 gram.
100 grams of oleum.
How much water you have added?
18 gram of water.
18 gram. Okay, now use this reaction. Okay, now you have to use this. Already we have used this concept in mole concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 mole of water means 18 gram. So it required 1 mole of SO3, that is 80 gram.
80 gram.
Yes, sir.
So if you are adding 18 gram of water, it means sulfur trioxide is 80 gram in the sample. Okay, then it means in the sample H2SO4 and SO3. SO3 is 80 gram, children. SO3 is 80 gram and
Yes, sir.
sulfuric acid is 20 gram only. So if they ask in the sample, original sample, what was the original sample? Original sample was of 100 gram.
Yes, sir.
This became after adding 18 gram of water.
Yes, sir.
So in 100 gram of oleum, okay, 20 gram is H2SO4 and 80 gram of SO3. But when
Yes,
you
sir.
added 18 gram, total sample became 118 gram. And this is the total weight of sulfuric acid, because after adding 18 gram water, they mixed with each other. And how much sulfuric acid was prepared? Tell me. 80 plus
98
18.
80 grams.
How much?
98 gram.
98 gram.
98 grams.
98 gram. And what was the original weight of
20
sulfuric?
gram.
20 grams. So what is the total weight?
118 gram.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In this way, you have to give the answer. So this is the 20%, this is 80%. In this way, you have to use the oleum percentage, oleum labeling. How many of you
Sir.
have understood? How
Sir,
many of you have understand this thing?
Sir, I have not understand this 18 gram thing.
Okay, first of all, have you divided this into two parts?
Yes, sir.
What is the original sample weight?
100 gram.
How much water you have added?
Oh, okay, sir. 18 gram.
Did you understand now?
Sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
will always
Okay.
take 100
What-
gram of oleum.
What this 18 gram has done in the solution?
It have make SO2 into convert SO3 into
It
H2SO4.
reacted with
SO3.
SO3. So 18
Convert it
gram,
into
18
H2SO4.
Making
gram of
H2SO4.
18 gram of water will react with how much quantity of SO3?
80 gram.
And how much
80 gram.
sulfuric acid we will get?
98 gram.
98 gram.
98 gram.
Law of
98 gram,
conservation of
98.
mass. Law of conservation of mass. Original, how much sulfuric acid you had?
20 gram.
How much new sulfuric acid formed?
98 gram.
Now
8
what is
gram.
the total sulfuric acid?
118 gram.
Got the
118
point?
gram.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
do
sir.
like this?
Yes, sir.
Write the example 3. Everybody understood? Any question?
Yes. No, sir.
No, sir.
Anybody having question? Yes. Debo Smita has understand. Rakib also understand.
Sir, I
Mohammed
also understood.
Yeah. Everybody
Yes,
understood.
understood, sir.
Right. Very nice. Now I can unmute. Unmute someone else.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why did you do 98 plus 20?
I have not used 98. That was the sulfuric acid prepared, newly sulfuric acid prepared.
Thank you, sir.
Newly sulfuric acid is prepared. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then the weight of oleum is equal to the weight, total weight.
What is oleum? First tell me, oleum is a compound or a solution?
Solution of H2SO4 and SO3.
Yeah. They are not reacting with each other.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now again I will give you one sample. And you have to give total detail. Oleum. This is known as labeling of oleum. 104.5. Right?
Okay, sir.
Come on, tell me. Do what you will do first.
By
So we will divide.
Divide into two parts.
Yes, sir. One will be 100 and
100
other
gram
will
of
be 4.5.
oleum and 4.5 grams.
100 gram of H2SO4.
This is oleum.
Yes, sir. 4.5.
But in this we don't know how much
100 gram of
H2SO4 is
oleum.
there and how much SO3 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we know water. This is the weight of water. Now
Yes, sir.
do this reaction. SO3 plus H2O gives you H2SO4.
The 20 gram of SO3 is present.
18 gram will react with 80.
Yes, sir.
4.5 will react with
20.
20. So here 20% oleum is there and 80% sulfuric acid is there, right? And when it
Yes,
will
sir.
add, it will give 24.5 sulfuric acid, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So already 80 gram of sulfuric acid is there and newly
Yes,
formed 24.5 is there. So how much it is?
104.5.
5, 4, Yeah,
N.
this is the weight of H2SO4. I think now you got the point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Can I give you one more example?
Yes, sir.
So I think not needed. We understood.
We understood.
Yes, sir.
Last example, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
122.5% oleum. Come on, solve it. Can you divide?
Sir, 22.5 gram is water
Yes, sir.
and 100 gram is
100 gram is
oleum.
the sample and
Yes, sir.
22.5 is water.
Yes, sir.
This is oleum. Oleum has two parts,
SO3
H2SO4 and
and
SO3.
H2SO4.
We will write the reaction
Okay, sir.
and we will get H2SO4. 18 gram reacts with 80. So 22.5 will react with 80 by 18 into 22.5. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
how much it is.
Sir, 100.
Sir, it is coming 100, sir. It is
It
possible.
is
Yes,
coming
sir.
100, right?
100, sir.
It means in this sample,
No H2SO4 was there.
100 gram of sulfur trioxide and 0 gram is this one. Means it was not a solution. It was purely sulfur trioxide,
Okay, sir.
right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is the quantity of sulfuric acid after adding water?
Sir,
122.5.
This will be the weight.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So it means we cannot write percentage beyond 122.5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We cannot label
Yes, sir.
oleum beyond 122.5.
Yes, sir. Yes,
It
So
is the
note it down.
maximum limit.
Note it down.
It is the maximum limit.
Yeah, oleum can't be labeled. Can't be labeled beyond 122.5%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is our today's task. So we have completed regarding H2SO, H2O2 also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Volume strength. And today we
Yes,
have
sir.
labeling of oleum.
Oleum.
Yes, sir.
Labeling of oleum. And now we will try to practice some,
Titration.
yeah, this one, CDF. We will practice every day. We have to practice CDF. So wait, I'm taking another screen.
Sir,
How
only
to-
these two topics are there in CDF.
Kya beta?
Only these two topics are there in CDF.
CDF is redox and some basic concept of chemistry. I don't think that these topics are in CDF. These questions will be in your material.
Okay, sir.
So can you give the material in the group?
चलो मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो. Environmental issue like
Ozone hole,
Hydrogen economy.
ozone hole and hydrogen economy.
Hydrogen.
environmental issue like dash and dash have
Hydrogen.
started figuring
Hydrogen economy
under
and
redox,
ozone hole.
redox phenomena.
Sir, which one you are telling, sir?
What is the answer?
Sir, hydrogen
Hydrogen
economy and ozone
economy.
hole.
Dash is defined
And
as
ozone
the
hole.
addition of oxygen,
Hydrogen.
electronegative
Oxidation.
element to a
Oxidation.
substance
Oxidation.
or
Oxidation.
removal of
Oxidation.
hydrogen and electropositive element from a substance.
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
Everybody speak out, everybody, so that it will enter into your brain.
Yes,
Point
sir,
number
yes,
3.
Yes, sir.
In elements, in the free or in the uncombined state, each atom bears a oxidation number of
0.
Zero.
oxidation number of oxygen in peroxide is,
-1.
-1.
Minus one.
and in
Superoxide is
superoxide
-half.
is.
-half.
Half.
-half.
Okay, Zn plus CuSO4 gives you ZnSO4 plus Cu is an example of.
Displacement reaction.
Reaction.
Displacement reaction.
Cl2 plus KBr gives you 2 KCl and Br2 is an example of.
Displacement
reaction.
reaction.
P4 plus OH minus plus water gives you PS3 plus H2PO2 minus.
Disproportionate reaction.
Disproportionate reaction.
Chlorine plus OH minus gives you ClO minus plus Cl minus plus water.
Disproportionate reaction.
Disproportionate reaction.
Okay. Ag2 plus Ag gives you Ag plus is an example of.
Disproportionate reaction.
Reaction.
MnO4 minus act as a
Self-indicator.
Self-indicator.
dash is defined as having together the oxides and reduced form.
Redox couple.
Couple.
Redox couple.
Redox couple.
Redox
The
couple.
potential associated with each electrode is known as.
Electrode potential.
Electrode
Electron
potential.
potential.
Life-saving drugs such as DAS and DAS are effective in cancer therapy and AGT.
Cisplatin capsule.
Cisplatin and Taxol. When two or more atoms of different elements combine, the molecule of a DAS is obtained.
Compound.
The meter is the length of the path traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of.
1 by
1 by
299
792.458.
1 Kelvin, unit of thermodynamic temperature, is the fraction of.
1 by 273.16.
16.
The dash is the amount of substance of a system which contain as many as elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kg of carbon 12. Its symbol is dash.
Mole.
Mole and symbol is MOL.
MOL.
Dash refers the closeness of various measurement of same quantity.
Precision.
Dash is the agreement of a particular value to the true value of the result.
Accuracy.
Dash are meaningful digits which are known with certainty.
Significant figures.
Figures.
All known zero digits are dash.
Significant.
Zero precedings to the first non-zero digits are not.
Significant.
100.0 has dash significant figures?
4.
4.
1 into 10 to the power 2 for dash significant figures.
1.
A jug contains 2
1.
liter of milk. Volume of the milk in meter cube is dash.
2 into 10 to the power minus 3.
minus 3.
A given compound always contain exactly same proportion of element by weight is dash.
Law of definite
Law
proportion.
of definite proportion.
Law of definite proportion.
If two elements can combine to form more than one compound, the mass
Law
of
Law
one
of
element,
multiple
that
Law of
element
multiple
is combined
multiple
with a fixed mass
proportion.
of other element are in the ratio of
Law
the
of
small whole
multiple.
number is
Law
Law of
dash.
multiple
Law
proportion.
of multiple proportion.
Law of multiple proportion.
proportion.
Law of multiple
Equal,
proportion.
equal volume of
Law of multiple
gases at same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules.
Avogadro law.
Avogadro law.
Avogadro's
Avogadro.
law.
Avogadro.
Gas is
Avogadro's
defined.
law. Avogadro.
S is defined as the mass exactly equal to 1/12 of the mass of the one carbon 12 atom.
Atomic mass unit.
Atomic mass unit. AMU. Atomic mass unit.
Atomic mass
AMU.
Atomic mass
AMU.
unit.
Atomic mass unit.
AMU.
AMU.
AMU. Atomic mass unit.
And dash represent the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in a compound.
Empirical
Formula.
Empirical formula.
यहीं पर मिस्टेक हुआ था की में.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes,
Molecule.
sir.
हाँ, यहाँ पर वो लोग आंसर मॉलिक्यूलर किया था. हम लोग को सबको नंबर मिलेगा, मिला भी है. सर प्रिंसिपल सर क्या बोले हम लोग को?
हमारा मार्क्स इंक्रीज होगा.
प्लीज होगा सर.
बोला ना?
हाँ सर.
हाँ.
Okay. Point number 19. The dash shows the exact number of different type of atom present in the molecule of a compound.
Molecular
formula.
Molecular formula. Molecular formula.
The reactant
Molecular
which gets,
formula.
the reactant which gets consumed and limit the amount of product formed is
Limiting
Limiting
reagent.
reagent.
Limiting reagent.
Limiting
Limiting
reagent.
reagent.
mass
Limiting
percentage is
reagent.
mass
Mass of
percentage is
solute by mass of solution into 100.
Mass of solute by mass of solution in 100.
By
molarity is
Number of moles of solution in liters.
number of solution.
Sir,
in
950 हो गया.
हाँ molality last molality.
Correct.
Number of moles of solute.
Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg.
solvent in kg.
Number of moles of solute by volume of mass of the solvent in kg.
चलो bye bye everybody. Okay.
Bye sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Bye everybody.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye sir.
और कौन कौन है देखे चेहरा. कितना लोग वीडियो ऑन नहीं करता है. कितना लोग कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. देखो एकदम लग रहा है एकदम सिंगिंग कंपटीशन में जा रहा. पूरा ईयरफोन लगा
कहाँ
के
है
चटकी. शिवाजी
सर यही है, अब क्या करें.
प्लेबैक सिंगर जैसा लग रहा है. चलो एनी हाउ, चलो बाय बाय.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.